What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Interactive Investor. Interactive Investor is a leading UK-based investment platform offering a wide range of investment products and services, including stocks and share ISAs, self-invested personal pensions, and general trading accounts. With over 400,000 investors and a 4.7 out of 5 Trustpilot rating, Interactive Investor is known for its user-friendly interface, competitive fees, and exceptional customer service. Now, let's take a look at some of its benefits and features. Wide range of investment options. Interactive Investor offers a vast array of investment options, providing investors with the flexibility to build diversified portfolios tailored to their financial goals. With access to over 40,000 UK, US, and international shares across 17 global exchanges, investors can choose from a wide selection of funds, investment trusts, ETFs, bonds, and gilts. This extensive investment universe allows investors to create a portfolio that aligns with their risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial objectives. Whether you're looking to invest in specific sectors, industries, or geographic regions, Interactive Investor's extensive range of investment options provides the tools to achieve your financial goals. Managed ISA. The Interactive Investor Managed ISA offers a hassle-free investment experience by having a team of experts manage the portfolio on the investor's behalf. With 10 different risk-based portfolios to choose from, investors can select an index tracking or sustainable portfolio that matches their investment profile. The Managed ISA provides the convenience of professional portfolio management with Interactive Investor's low, flat-fee subscription. This feature is ideal for investors who want to benefit from the expertise of professional fund managers without the need to actively manage their portfolio. By outsourcing the investment decisions, investors can focus on other aspects of their financial lives, knowing that their investments are being managed by experienced professionals. Self-invested personal pension. The Interactive Investor SIPP provides investors with greater control and flexibility over their retirement savings. With a wide range of investment available, including shares, funds, investment trusts, and more, investors can build a portfolio aligned with their retirement goals. The Interactive Investor SIPP offers tax benefits such as tax relief on contributions and flexible retirement income options. This feature is particularly useful for investors who want to make a more active role in managing their retirement savings or have a specific investment goals in mind. The Interactive Investor SIPP has a low monthly fee of £5.99 and was awarded a Which Recommended Provider status, making it a reliable choice for investors seeking a comprehensive retirement savings solution. Tax-free lump sum withdrawal. When investors reach the minimum pension age, they can withdraw up to 25% of their SIPP savings as a tax-free lump sum. This feature provides investors with the flexibility to access a portion of their retirement savings in a tax-efficient manner, which can be useful for various financial needs. The remaining SIPP funds can then be used to provide a regular income or left invested for further growth, depending on the investor's preferences. This tax-free lump sum withdrawal option allows investors to use their retirement savings to achieve specific financial goals, such as paying off debt, funding a new business venture, or simply enjoying a tax-free windfall. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Interactive Investor's platform does not provide easy access to company reports, which can make it difficult for investors to stay informed about the companies they invest in. This lack of transparency can lead to a lack of engagement and participation in shareholder decisions, as investors may not have the necessary information to make informed decisions. Some customers have reported poor customer service, including long wait times and unhelpful responses. This can be frustrating for investors who need assistance with their accounts or have questions about their investments. Interactive investors' foreign exchange fees can be high, which can negatively impact investors who hold international investments or need to convert currencies. This can result in higher costs and reduced returns for investors who are not aware of these fees. In conclusion, Interactive Investor offers a comprehensive range of investment products and services, providing investors with the tools and the expertise to achieve their financial goals. By understanding the features, benefits, and potential drawback of Interactive Investor, investors can make informed decisions and take control of their financial futures. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.